today we're making a heart-healthy smoothie with kale and tofu that's really low in sugar because it's using dates instead of maple syrup or sugar. So we start with 4 dates, 2 frozen bananas broken up, 2 cups of washed and broken up kale, half a cup of cashews, 1 cup of tofu chunks. You can use any kind of tofu you have. I have soft tofu today. 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water, and then blend it up. So we've got 42 grams of carbohydrates, 13.8 grams of protein, 19.5 grams of fat, only 3.7 grams of saturated fat, and then 4.9 grams of fiber and 15.2 grams of sugar. Only 373 calories, 1 serving is the entire smoothie. So it's got a pretty good amount of fiber and protein and good sources of fat from the nuts and lots of vitamins in the kale. And the only sugar sources are the banana and the dates. Here's our heart-healthy smoothie.